How to create to-do list on Microsoft Excel. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to create to-do list on Microsoft Excel easy and fast in less than 1 minute. So all what you have to do, go to Excel. This is the home page as you can see. Now go to the top here in the search bar and search for list. After you search for list, you will find many templates right here. Scroll down until you find to-do list. Click on it and click create. Now right here you can add your to-do list easily and fast, edit all those informations as you can see. Also you can add the today's progress, and that's very good. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.